Douglas. Yeah, spin my well, guys. Bago tuloy yung mga lasinggero, hello. Bago tuloy yung mga... Yeah, because I didn't like in midnight. I didn't like in midnight while ago. Fluffy. So that's why. Si Daniel, how are you? Thank you, Brian. Oh, you have a banana. I like that. 16th Avenue. Diba? Hi, Green Corion. Thank you. Hi, 16th Avenue. How are you? Thank you for the banana. Tayo lang naman. Hell! I do live again because my phone was getting, overheat. Look, I have like this. It's hot here in the Philippines. Look, the hotness in the Philippines. It's hot. Oralcy, hello. Hi, Miss. Magandang hapon. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. How about you? How about you? Now that it's dependent. Yes. Marcel, I want banana. Oh, hello. Oh, how's US? It's summertime. Oh, hello. Thank you, Brian. I'm good, Rick Curry. How about you? Big D, Alan. How old are you? 16, Avenue. Mm-hmm. Hi, Crazy, hello. Wait. Oh my God. No, my phone. Wait lang, just wait. Call man, hello. And uh, hi, Eric. How are you? Welcome. Wait lang, guys. Hindi ko matarong ng cellphone.